Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to show you my deeply nourishing hair care routine. So this is my hair. It has not been like this always. My hair became very damaged. So I took certain steps to recover from that, and this is one of those steps that has helped me so much and I cannot wait to share it with you. So yeah, let's start with my 7-step hair care routine that I do once or twice in a month. The first step is oiling my hair before shampooing. I love oiling my hair and these are my two favorite oils. Black seed oil that I have been using for ages and this black castor oil that I have been using recently, but it is very good. I mix these oils 50-50, then I massage it only on my scalp. I don't apply this on the rest of my hair. Then I keep this overnight before shampooing. This is a step I do every time I shampoo because oils do help me a lot. And another thing, I have started using silk and satin pillowcases and my hair feels smoother. Step 2 is hair mask. I have been using Recoil hair mask, but you can use any hair mask that actually works for you. The amount would depend on your hair length. And then I mix those, black seed oil and castor oil with this hair mask, like 30% oil, 70% this hair mask. So next thing is I don't apply this mask on my scalp because I get hair fall that way. So I apply this on just my hair. And yeah, it works that way. I keep it for 1 hour, then I apply this section by section covering all my hair strands, and tada, I'm done. Now I'm gonna tie my hair like this, then I'm gonna use my husband's t-shirt as those hair cap. It works very good. So yeah, he doesn't use this t-shirt by the way, so I'm gonna keep this like this for 1 hour. Then I'm gonna wash my hair with a shampoo, which is the step 3. I'm using the Body Shop Shea Butter shampoo. I like Recoil hair fall control shampoo as well. Use any shampoo that works for you. I shampoo once in a week and I don't shampoo frequently. It has helped my hair a lot. And yeah, shampooing is very important. You need to clean your scalp and hair because the build-up can cause hair damage. The step 4 is deep conditioning. For that I'm using this Shea Butter hair mask from the Body Shop. You can use a normal hair conditioner as well. Again, whatever works for you. So yeah, take a decent amount. Then mix 6 to 7 drops of squalene in it. You can use rosehip oil, then jojoba oil, even argan oil. So my deep conditioner is ready. I'm gonna apply this on my hair. I'm not gonna apply this on my scalp obviously. Then I'm gonna keep it for like 30 minutes, 15 minutes to 30 minutes. And during this time I'm gonna cover my hair with that t-shirt again, likewise. So step 5 is hair vents. I'm not doing this today because it is very cold, so I'm avoiding this, but it has helped my hair a lot. I use rice water hair rinse. I have made a video about this. I'm gonna leave the link down below. After washing the conditioner with plain water, I use fermented rice water. Then I keep this for like 15 minutes to 30 minutes, then I wash it off with plain water. For more details, please watch my video on rice water for hair. So the next step is styling gel. I have been using these products very recently. So I have these 3 things and this Palmer's gel doesn't work at all. I hate this. Makes my hair sticky. I do not recommend this at all. Next I tried this Fix My Curls gel. It is good but the smell is overwhelming, so I'm not gonna buy this again. And then I have this Earth Rhythm cream gel. This is the best among these things, but still I'm looking for better options, so please feel free to recommend me some hair gels. And I received the bottle where the pump doesn't work. So anyway, this what it's gonna do is gonna redefine or define your natural texture. I have kind of wavy hair and gels kind of hug my natural texture and my hair actually feels smooth. I just crunch my hair several times after towel drying my hair, and yeah, I leave it like this. You don't have to wash it off. It's a leave-on product. So this is how my hair looks when it is wet, but don't worry, when it's gonna get dry, it's gonna look better, way better. So step 7 is serum. I have been using this Earth Rhythm black castor oil serum. It has been working fine for me. I use this serum on my dry hair. It makes my hair soft, and I follow this 7-step routine once or twice in a month because I cannot do this every time when I wash my hair. I cannot invest so much time, this amount of time, but whenever I do it, it really works for my hair. So this is how my hair looks after drying. Actually, my second and third day hair looks better than my first day hair. So this is my, I think, second day hair. I'm really happy with the result. My hair feels fine. I like it. It is manageable and soft. So yeah, and this is the thing I took today. This is my, I think, 5th day hair. I took this video this morning. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.